see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
Yeah, I get it. We have to stay fit. We have to stay healthy. We have to take control of our health. We have to work for our health. We have to work for the beautiful bodies. But every day, every single day, for the rest of our lives, like oko. Let me go exercise.
So come and take the shots from me now, shots from me now. Just like a soul child, feeling so priceless. You got me taking shots from me now, shots from me now. Just like a Cadillac, feeling so timeless. Let's talk about it. Late night, FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you. Let's talk about it. Late night, FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you. Going on with you, I will not love for you. I can't relate, girl, when you say that it was overdue. I play no games for you, girl, what we try to prove. I had it down, should be down, it's funny I ride with you. It's deja vu, you say it's cause you're Gemini. So inconsistent while you anxious, we wasting ammunition. It's deja vu, I knew that you would never mind. So clueless, I guess you would never know. I need you to just be you.
Hi my dolls, I'm back from the gym. I've already showered. I'm just gonna have my kuai and I'm gonna call it a night. Yeah, I know you guys must be wondering why every night I don't take you with to the living room. That area is very dark, and one of these days I'm gonna show you guys. The previous owners used it as a cinema, so they don't have windows. They have one window and a sliding door to the patio, but they don't have windows. So me trying to vlog there would just be impossible, because even this side where the kitchen, this is my coffee station, the kitchen is over there. Even the kitchen is very dark. So this place needs bigger windows, I think. I don't know how else I would get more natural light in this house. The entryway also doesn't have windows because it's between 2 bedrooms and the kitchen and the garage. So there's no place where they could make windows up. So that's why every night I'll just come here and say, hey, I'll call it a night, I'm gonna go watch TV, but I never take you with me to go watch TV. I'm gonna try vlogging at daytime and see if alright, but I try to vlog at night in the lounge and ndingathi ndisephupheni. So I'd rather not. So that's why I always say I'm gonna have dinner, then I'm gonna see you tomorrow. But I can't vlog in the lounge. So let me have dinner and see you guys tomorrow. Cheers, my loves. Neighbors, what a beautiful concept. What a beautiful concept. Remember I told you guys a few vlogs back that my floaty was finished, the floaty in the pool. Nanzia. So my floaty is finished and I get my supply from my neighbor. She sells these things. So what I usually do is I just send her a text when I'm out and I tell her that I need a new floaty. But instead of me going to her to pick it up, she always drops it off. So if it happens that I'm not home, she'll just slide it under the gate so that when I get here, I find it. Love that for me, because it means I don't have to go to the stores to buy any pool essentials, because she supplies everything and she drops them off for me. what she does at times as well is to come and check on my pool, make sure that the pH levels are fine. She'll sometimes even clean it for me. She comes with her son and they clean the pool for me. Love it for me. So I'm just gonna change this floaty. I'm gonna put this buddy here. That's what it's called anyway. It's a buddy plus. So I love that every time, man, I run off something in a pool pagati, she'll just come, she'll sort it out. There was a time when my creepy was giving me problems. She came through to have a look at what the creepy was doing, and I don't even pay her for services. I feel like I should be, but it's not something that she's compensated for. She just does it. The only thing I pay for, of course, is the pool stuff. But whenever she comes to check on the state of my pool, what needs to be done, that is completely free. Maybe I should compensate her somehow, man, because she's been very helpful and I need to appreciate. But let me change this this floaty, and then yeah, but ipolins I clean on the weekend. I'm just gonna change the floaty just so the water doesn't turn green, and then the rest I'll do in the weekend. What is this? There's a hole here. You adjust your settings: small, medium, large. So my pool is a small pool, so I'm just gonna have my setting on small. This was recommended by her, so that's what I'm going to do.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll.
Ignore the state of the pool, guys. Just ignore it. It will be sorted in a few days. I'm just showing you that out with the old, in with the new. As you can see, she is floating around. That's how it's supposed to be. Once it's on its side, that means it's empty. So we've got a new buddy. Yay! Good morning, guys. Good morning, my loves. It's the morning and I'm starting it off on a very bad note. Maybe it's not so serious, but my phone, this iPhone, is not charging. It gave me a message that something about moisture port and stuff. I don't remember what the message was because I just looked at it and I unplugged it from the charger and the message disappeared and I'm not getting the message again. But I asked ChatGPT and ChatGPT doesn't seem to think like it's a serious issue. ChatGPT says it will resolve within a few hours. But the thing is, now my battery is like on 50% and it's still 8 in the morning. So I need to go get a wireless charger to sort it out, just to charge it. Then when I leave it for the day, see what happens. Because ChatGPT says it could be shower steam, gym humidity, sweat, condensation from temperature changes, and then yeah. Okay, there's a whole lot of other stuff here. But auto ChatGPT, if the warning persists after 24 hours, then that's when I should be worried. So for now, let me just go get a wireless charger. And then we see how it does for the rest of the day. But sana ngikwazi ufelwa iphone ngoJanuary, angikwazi ufelwa iphone. Yeah. So yeah, I'm starting the day on Let's go get the charger, guys. Mind me.
Under the lights, you look so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated. Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Only one to turn me on and turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me leap of faith, 'cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby, hindsight is 2020. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby. You've been so patient, so patient. You want me back, baby. Take me back, baby.
It tastes kinda bitter to say I'm sorry when I know that I did nothing wrong. You think you're better than everybody. I'm getting sick of playing along. All of these mind games is keeping me up at night, but you're not losing sleep, and am I being crazy, or is there somebody else? I'm getting good at reading your lies. If you don't like me, I don't understand. When I say something, you put your head in the sand. I'm so confused. Are you just wasting my time? If you don't like me now, if you don't like me
I just need the pool to fill up to this level over here, so hence I have that. I just bag washed it, so I'm gonna wait for it to fill up, and at the same time my creepy is running, okay, just to clean the bottom of the pool. When that is done, I'm gonna put the filter on and filter the pool. I'm gonna put a sachet of something known as, I think it's clear blue. It makes it nice and sparkly, but that's after I've achieved some level of cleanliness, and then I put in the sachet. So for now, let me just let it do its thing, and then I'll check on it in like an hour or so. So every time I have to use this creepy, I'm stressed about it because I have to keep watching it. And I remember Zelda telling me that I can adjust using that black part, but I never know what I'm turning and doing.
Oh, what happens is, yeah, it's only a spring inside. That,
Okay.
like, when you tighten, it's very tight, it's gonna be
Difficult for that to
difficult,
open.
and when it's more loose, it will be easier.
So we want it a bit loose and not tight, or we want it
I'm
tight.
not sure.
So this is the corner where mine gets stuck. Okay, looks like it's moving away. Yeah, this is working very well. All right, thank you guys. I appreciate it. See you later.
Betuna, I just started vlogging without officially opening the vlog. I never introduced a vlog, I never introduced myself. So everybody's just watching, wondering, for the new ones here who are seeing my face for the first time, they're like, who is this girl? Guys, Lusanda, Niapila. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, I hope you do subscribe. I hope you fall in love and you become part of the family. And for my returning subscribers, I see you, my loves, and I'd like to thank you for stopping back by. So guys, I did quite a lot already that I didn't introduce, you know. Firstly, I was showing you the pool stuff. I'm still in the process of cleaning the pool, but I was having a problem. I've been having the problem with my creepy. It just gets stuck every time. Like, I have to keep checking on it. So I just called my neighbor, the same neighbor that I was telling you guys about, who drops off the pool essentials for me. I called her and asked her to just just for me to test out whether the problem is the creepy or the pipes or whatever. So the two young men you were seeing are her sons. They just came to drop off the creepy. They checked it. It's working fine. They are creepy, that is. So they said they're just gonna leave it for the whole day, and then they're gonna come back later to see if it gave me any problems. But so far, my one is giving me such a headache, and it's been months. So I wanted to test it out before ndithenge any creepy, and you find that another creepy does the same thing in my pool. Because ukhona umuntu who once told me that my pool corners are too sharp. So I don't know whether ileyo a problem and that's why the creepy gets stuck. Like, guys, I don't know. So that's problem number one. Problem number two is the phone situation. If you remember, I told you by iPhone I charge it is still not charging. Where is it, Nance? This iPhone, it is not charging. But I bought a wireless charger and it's working fine. So that's what I've been using, the wireless charger. Yes, it is. So I guess I'm not getting another iPhone. I'm not getting another phone. And also I'm using another phone. I've got 2 phones already. The one I'm vlogging from is a, what is it? It's a Huawei. I'm vlogging from a Huawei, but sometimes I do use my iPhone to vlog. Depends on the setup, the lighting, everything. So I charge it, so I've got a second problem in January, which I have solved so far because like I said, I'm using the wireless charger. But the most exciting part about today's vlog is that I received an order from All Classy Cushions. So I received this order from All Classy Cushions. If anybody, guys, go check them out on Instagram. They sell really beautiful cushions. It's my first time placing an order with them, so I'm gonna review them now for you because there's one from other people that usually buy from them. And influencer so let's have a first impression video. And the delivery was quick. It was an overnight delivery. Remember the Sarah Stenberg, and these came from Joburg in Madrid, to be specific. So they were delivered via a courier guy. Yeah, sana irrepiwe lento. Let's see. She has said she's gonna use. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, it's not so tight. This is the first one. Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so good. Look at those colors. She had called me and asked me what color I want to use for the back, and I said I want a mustard color. And then she was like, she thinks the green is gonna look much better. And I said, okay, if you feel green is gonna be better, you can use green, I don't mind. But I see she went with the mustard anyway, so love it, love it. Even the green would have worked, but I love the mustard. All right. And then, so I wanted a colorful, 2 are colorful and 2 are plain. I just wanted to test out which vibe I'd like to go for moving forward for her cushions. So this is plain orange, beautiful. The sizes are 60 by 60. So I think this was called multi-splash. Yeah, it's multi-splash. And then this is just, I don't remember, it's just orange. 2 of the orange and 2 of the multi-splash. As I said, they feel so good. I asked her about every cushion, whether every cushion that she has chops now. So I guess we're gonna have to do that chop test, masbon, because we'll take all of her cushions are choppable. So if nigga sends a ikarat on this thing, some and see if it's gonna be choppable now. I love them. Let's do the test together, hey? So here's the cushion. Let's see. I see shine, spawn woods. I see shine. Any of these cushions as chopegayo. Would you look at that? Sana. Oh, I am such a happy girl. Because I'm a happy girl, let's use the orange as well. Are you ready? Let's go. Tell me, after you vomit as much as the other one. Okay, maybe a couple of hits. Okay, not bad. Let me see. It could be better. Could be better. Go. Now this is a bit harder than the other one. Or do you better than no wrong? Right? Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay. I think that will do. Yeah. It looks good. It's just that I was looking at it from the top, so I couldn't see very well. But that's what it looks like. Nice. Yeah, I'm very happy with these. So from this point onwards, maybe I'm just gonna get e-covers, or I think I'm gonna get 2 more cushions, or make it just 4 more. 4 more. This bedroom, the other bedroom. Yeah, maybe 4 more. Use 4 for the lounge. Use 2 for 1 spare bedroom and 2 for my bedroom. The other bedroom, I stink. It's for kids, so but teeny cushions and twin. So yeah, I'm loving this, guys. So I'm gonna style them. Not today though, because I've got a certain vision for them, which I still need to put together, and then I'm gonna style them. But for now, let me take a shower, my lovies. Let me take a shower. I thought I was gonna clean that garage cupboard, but I'm lazy. But it needs to be done, but I'm lazy, man. Yo. I think let me do it once and for all. Let me tackle it. Alright, my lovies. See you now. Do you guys still remember this doorbell that I bought in December? I still haven't used it, so I think let me install it now and see if iyasebenza na ndingahlali nento apha kanti ayisebenzisana and then kuphele inyanga and then ndibe unable to return it. So let's do this doorbell thing and see if le nto ndizama uyenza izosebenza na. Let's see what we have. Let's open it up. Okay. Let's read. It says these are the instructions. The insulator. This is the insulator, so I'm gonna pull that and then paste the thermometer sticker. Remote control. Okay. Control water door. When installing the battery to the remote, make sure that oh, this needs to be drilled onto the wall. Okay. It takes AAA batteries. So let me find those. AAA batteries. Okay. Oh, it's actually double A. Oh, where's my double A's? I've got double A's right here. Okay. Hello. Hello. Made a ding dong sound, guys. Okay. But what are these screws for? What am I supposed to do with these? I'm guessing I screw on the wall and I hang this on the wall, but I am not gonna do that. So then long press this one. Ooh. Okay, so you long press this for 3 seconds to switch the modes between ringtone only and ringtone with lights. So that was ringtone only. This is ringtone with lights. I'm thinking this is gonna drain more battery. Ringtone selection. Press the up or down. Okay. Unvusa noma senilele. Next. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I like this one. Next. The normal. Oh, it's not the normal. Okay. Zininzi sana. Yeah, I'm spoiled for choice. There's too many of them. Kanti singaphi? Ekubona. Italiano. I think I want the Italy to go to Italiano. As the sentence, guys, I'm overwhelmed. No, these are too many. How do I go back to one I liked? Hell no. How am I go? The tuna. How many are there? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna choose one because this is a bit too much. I put it up. Sana. Oh. Guys, do. Oh, hello. I just pressed it by mistake and it went off. At least I know it works. But I was supposed to. Alright, now let me take this inside and see if the distance is fine. Let's put it here for now. I'll put it on top of this. I'll put it here. Okay, I'm not gonna drill it in. Okay, let me run to the gate and see. It works! So this distance is fine. Guys, I am sweating. This distance is fine, but I want to see if I put it further away. Don't worry guys that you're not seeing my face. I am so crusty. I'm sweating. So let's put it further away and see. Let's put it here. Let's put it here. Okay, there it is. Now, let me leave you guys here. Let me leave you guys here. And then I'm running outside to see if it distance I can't get up. Let's go! It works! So I'm gonna keep it here. Oh my god! I have a ding ding! Oh good, I'm so happy. Alright. It works. I am so excited. But I want to print a please ring bell sign and put it here. So that this is a doorbell and please ring bell. I feel so lonely right now. Oh guys, it's the little things. Hey, it is the little things that is so exciting. It's later in the evening. This is how the pool is looking. I can't see the bottom of the pool because I haven't filtered the pool yet. So I'm gonna use this product, Super Sheen. Ayo clear blue sana. Oh, ayo clear blue. Just be clear blue and I don't know because I'm 17 clear blue now. So I'm just gonna put in this Super Sheen and then I'm gonna let the pool filter now, okay, without the creepy crawly. Still, my neighbor's creepy, by the way. She hasn't come. They haven't come to get it yet. So I'm guessing they're fine with me using it overnight. Or should I take it back? Maybe I should just take it back. Let me do that. Let me take it back. But let me run the pool with this Super Sheen. I just finished pouring the... Why do I keep wanting to call it a clear blue? Indonlendo Super Sheen. I just poured the Super Sheen and now I'm letting the pool run on filter. I hope you can't hear the music because my neighbors are having a party. They're having a party this side. They're having a party on the other side as well. Elmarie asked to use my driveway because I've got a huge driveway. They asked to use my driveway. This morning they sent me a text saying they're gonna have guests this evening, so they would like to use my driveway, and I said okay. And this neighbor right here used to keep on parking with driveway without asking. And I didn't even know but it's their car because there's a lot of cars that come and go in this house. I didn't even know. And then it was giving me so much anxiety because I was like, whose cars are these and why do they keep getting parked on my driveway? And nandine anxiety about what if it's stolen cars and then zifunyano driveway and then I'm implicated in this. So I really appreciate Elmarie and Danny for asking instead of just parking. They're already parked, there's 2 cars by my driveway and I'm okay with it. So my neighbors are having a party tonight. But I'm having a great time taking care of my pool, okay?
Yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, oh, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name. door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do, when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have this dance. Tomorrow is another day to sit around and waste away without you, baby. Oh, without you, baby. My life used to be in blue, now it's mostly filled with gloom. I miss you, baby. Yeah, I miss you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now